Eating utensils, most importantly, you want a cup, a bowl, and a spoon. Just a simple spoon. I always bring a spare in case one breaks or I lose one. Just something simple, really durable design is key. And then for bowls, this is what I generally use. Some people don't like these foldable bowls because when you get them full, they have a tendency to spill sometimes, so you need to be careful with them. But I like them just because they're so light and they don't take up a lot of room. Another option would be something like this with a lid, just a rubber made. Put your food in there, keep it warm if you need to. Some people even take some foam matting and wrap it around there to keep it warm. Another option there. And then as far as a cup, I use my ½ liter water bottle. So I use a 1.5 liter water bottle and then this little ½ liter. So this doubles as a hot drink mug for me, and I can keep it in my down parka pocket to access on the trail as well. So that's my mug of choice. A few other options here, just a simple mug like this, insulator, keeps your drink nice and warm over dinner time. And then another option is just a small thermos like this. This is really nice as well. You can keep it inside your down suit or your down jacket pocket. Make sure it seals well. You can pull it out, sip some tea. Nice warm tea is really nice on a summit day. So a few different options there.